Hey makers, it's Maddy from Morrison Sons. Get ready to dive into our exciting workshops. So the Upskills are a collection of classes that are one day, they're 3 hours long, and they help you really focus on certain skills that you think you need to sort of push your crafting a little bit further. So the first one I want to talk about is Magic Loop. So this is part of what you'll learn in the class. This is going to focus on how to set up for Magic Loop so that you can knit in the round, as well as some basic shaping and also how to do a really nice cast off that is invisible and doesn't have any big lumps or bumps anywhere. The next one I have up is basic finishing. So it's pretty common that people will get all the way through a project but they're not really sure how to actually sew the pieces together really cleanly, or they're not too sure if they understand what the pattern is asking them to do with buttonholes or how to sew on a button so it doesn't fall off. We have some swatches. So we've got mattress stitch, we've got buttonholes, sewing on a button, we've got a couple of different ribs so you can see what the difference is between a standard rib and a twisted rib. Garter stitch, it looks a little different when you're doing mattress stitch. So this is something to really help everyone who just wants to finish some projects but they're a little bit unsure of how to do it. Then one of my favorites, this is cast on, cast off. So we start with a long tail cast on and a 3 needle cast off. We've got tubular cast on and cast off. This is one that a lot of people are very nervous about, but it's actually one of my favorites because it's got such a great finish and it's so stretchy. And German long tail cast on and Icelandic bind off. These are really handy to have, especially because they look so good with garter stitch, but they can be a little bit intimidating. So our goal is to have these skills presented in a way that are really easy and fun to learn, but also will keep you inspired for your future crafting. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Enroll in our workshops and join the creative fun.